Amtul, a mother of 6 and a thriving entrepreneur, is a picture of success and hard work. With her tailoring business booming, she employs several people who assist her in making of a wide range of bridal wear. Equipped with the knowledge of stitching and embroidery, she wished to start her own business but lacked the resources needed for it.
मियाँ की तो इतनी तनख्वाह नहीं थी, 250-300 तनख्वाह थी तब, तो क्या उसमें होना था। और मुझे ये शौक था कि मेरे बच्चे पढ़ें। कौन रिश्तेदार देता, कोई नहीं देता किसी को पैसा, 1 रुपया भी नहीं कोई देता।
After being refused by friends and family, she sought financial help from CSC, supported by PPAF.
ये CSC का इदारा है, ये इस तरह औरतों के लिए ये कर्जा दे रहे हैं जो औरतें घर में काम करना चाहती हैं, जो काम कर रही हैं उनको काम बढ़ाने के लिए दे रहे हैं। तो वहाँ से ये मैंने कर्जा लेके फिर मैं ये मोटर वाली मशीन ली। मेरे पास इस वक्त सिलाई का काम हो रहा है, ये नक्शी दबकी का काम हो रहा है, जो कोई ऑर्डर दे दे। अमेरिका तक मेरे कपड़े गए हैं।
In addition to a loan, Amtul was also provided with enterprise training and counseling to help her run a successful business.
मुझे हिसाब नहीं था आता, ये कैलकुलेटर नहीं था चलाना आता, ये सारा कुछ इन्होंने बताया है।
On her remarkable entrepreneurial skills and successes, she was awarded the City PPAF Micro Entrepreneurship Award in the category of Female National Runner-Up 2006.
मुझे इनाम भी मिला हुआ, ट्रॉफी वो भी पड़ी है मेरी।
Although content with the positive transformation in her life, she never forgets her humble beginning.
कभी भी नहीं भूलती मैं, यहाँ तक पहुँची हूँ बड़ी मेहनत और लगन के साथ। और जितनी मेहनत मैंने अपने बच्चों के लिए की है ना, खुदा भाई जानता, कोई नहीं औरत कर सकती। शुक्रिया अदा करूंगी कि इन्होंने मेरे साथ बहुत अच्छा ताउन किया, बहुत ज़्यादा। PPAF वाले जब भी आते थे मेरी तरफ आते थे, हौसला अफजाई करते थे। बल्कि मैं डरती थी, मैं घबराती थी, मैं मना करती थी, मगर मुझे ये हौसला देते थे, आप क्यों घबराती हैं, कोई मसला नहीं है, आप परेशान ना हो, हम हैं आपके साथ।
From 2006, we moved to 2007. Meet Marukh. She is no less than a celebrity. In Colonel Sher Khan Kile, a village in Swabi. The city is not only known for its brave people, but also for its diligent inhabitants. It's the hard-working father of Marukh that makes her a celebrity. Akhtar Ali runs a small business of snacks with the name Marukh Nimco. The day starts early for Akhtar Ali, as he starts his activity of preparing snacks from raw material he brings from Faisalabad.
मुझे पर मार्केट के दबल ना रुपए निमरेट कम चलूँ और क्वालिटी में खसातू पदे वजह मैं जोंग माल पर मार्केट के डेज़ ज़्यादा चलेगी।
After the packaging phase, Akhtar visits markets of Swabi to supply his brands of snacks to local shopkeepers on his motorcycle rickshaw, Chingchi. What makes Akhtar and many other people of his community run their businesses successfully are microloans from PPAF through its collaborating partner SWWS, who have changed the lives of many.
ما د SWWS والنا په 2004 کې 10,000 روپے قرضه واغسته.
Akhtar received City PPAF Micro Entrepreneurship Award in the category of Regional Winner NWFP 2007. He has enjoyed a successful life ever since.
زمونږ مالی حالات ډېر زیات خراب و چې کله 2007 کې ما ته ایوارډ ملو شو نو موږ کاظم سوپر سټور هم دغې نه پس کولو وکړو.
After a hard-working day of supply and payment collection, Akhtar enjoys Pashto music on his way back to his store. Enterprise development opportunities like this have enabled people like Akhtar to hope for a better and brighter future.
دا جی زما لور د ماروخه د دې په نوم باندې موږ دا برانډ چلو او زما دا ارمان دی چې په دې باندې زه ښه تعلیم وکړم او ښه پرورش وکړم او ښه سکول کې پې سبق ووایم او د دې نه زه ډاکټره جوړه کړم.
Now, moving from 2007 to 2008, we take you to Bhitshah, Sindh. Thousands visit the famous shrine of Bhitshah, seeking miracles and spiritual healing. But there are some people who bring miracles in their lives on their own. Sahibzadi is one of them. Disabled at the age of 6, she found herself in a world full of challenges and hardships. Sahibzadi refused to be called Jaddi, weak and useless, and kept on the struggle to lead a purposeful life. Having keen interest in sewing and livestock, she planned to further her skills in tailoring clothes. With help from PPAF and SAFCO and a lot of hard work, a revolution came in Sahibzadi's life as she bought sewing machines, so much so that she received the City PPAF Micro Entrepreneurship Award in the category of Female National Winner 2008. With the award money, Sahibzadi reconstructed her house and established a training center. Passing on the skills, she wants to train other girls of the village also. Once called Jaddi by the people of the village, Sahibzadi now aims high and feels confident of the future that lies ahead of her. By overcoming the odds and creating new avenues in her life, Sahibzadi has proved that miracles do happen. Enterprise development opportunities provided through initiatives taken by microfinance institutions not only bring prosperity in the lives of many underprivileged, but also enables them realize their dreams.
मुझे हिसाब नहीं था आता, ये कैलकुलेटर नहीं था चलाना आता, ये सारा कुछ इन्होंने बताया है।
زمونږ مالی حالات ډېر زیات خراب و چې کله 2007 کې ما ته ایوارډ میلاو شو نو موږ کاظم سوپر سٹور هم دغې نه پس کولو کو
तमामु घणी ख़ुशि आहियां पंहिंजे पेरनि ते अलाह नाम खे ॾियारे थो वञा वधीक खां वधीक थींदो